This townhouse is a must-see in the heart of Kempsville. Spacious open floor plan on the first floor. The rear of the townhome features a cozy den complete with a fireplace. 3 bedrooms, one with its own ensuite bathroom on the second floor. The backyard includes a privacy fence, shed, and wood deck. 2 assigned parking spaces in front of the house. Plenty of guest parking is available. Complete new TRANE HVAC system installed 10/21. Perfect starter home. Seller to make no repairs. House to convey as is, where is. Near interstates, shopping, town center, bases, and all things Virginia Beach.